Hello, my friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, let's find the real number solutions of the following equations. Why not give a try, and we will come back soon. There are two key points in addressing these equations. The first is to deal with the absolute values. We know that, while calculating the summation of a real number and its absolute value, there are only two cases. If this number is bigger than 0, then its absolute value is equal to itself, and the final result is twice of the number. If this number is not bigger than 0, then its absolute value is equal to its additive inverse, and the final result is equal to 0. In the original equations, the absolute value of x plus x, and the absolute value of y plus y, both appear as denominators. So none of them can be 0. That is, they are twice x and twice y respectively. Simplifying them, we get the right side of the equations are 1 over x and 1 over y respectively. And we also know very clearly that, both x and y are bigger than 0. The newly obtained equations are easier to solve, and there are several ways. But we still expect to make it as simply as possible. That's the second key point we are going to talk about. We multiply the left side of the first equation by the right side of the second equation, and then multiply the left side of the second equation by the right side of the first equation. Their results are certainly equal to each other. Now, we set x over y as a new variable u. Both x and y are bigger than 0, so u is naturally bigger than 0. So we get an equation of u. Since u is bigger than 0, we can multiply each term by a u, and then transform it, to get a very simple quadratic equation in one variable. Its solutions are really easy to find. Either u is equal to 4, or u is equal to -1. Please don't forget that, u is bigger than 0, so it can only be equal to 4. That is, x is equal to 4 times y. Then we can bring it into any of the previous equations. For instance, the first one. We get 8 times y plus y equals 1 over 4 times y. That is, 36 times the square of y equals 1. Because y is bigger than 0, it can only be equal to 1 over 6. X is 4 times it, which is 2 over 3. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.